Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Indian Hotels Company. Our analyst maintains buy on Indian hotels with a price target of Rs 774. With room demand expected to exceed supply, domestic market performance would be strong in the coming years. This, along with expected recovery in international properties and higher contribution from new ventures, will aid revenues and PAT clock a CAGR of 15% and 26% over FY24 to 27. Cost-saving initiatives, along with rising share of capital-light inventory, will help operating profit improve in coming years. We expect Indian Hotels EBITDA margin to be 35% in FY27 from 32% in FY24. Asset-light model will also help in high free cash generation. Return ratios are expected to improve, with ROE expected to increase to 16% and ROCE to 20% in FY27 from 13% and 15% respectively in FY24. The stock trades at 28 times FY26 and 23 times FY27 EV by EBITDA. Next, we have an update on NTPC. Our analyst maintains buy rating on NTPC with an unchanged price target of Rs 460. Company aims to increase its capacity from 76 gigawatts currently to 130 gigawatts in FY32. Also, the IPO of the renewable business will unlock value.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.